Hello guys, my name is Nancy and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. For the new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing, and those who haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I will really appreciate. So quickly on today's video, I just wanted to show you how I normally arrange my wardrobe and my small kitchen cabinets. So I'll just start with the kitchen. It's a little bit small. It's not really big because I live in a bedsitter, but I really love everything about my kitchen because you can see the color complements everything. I love white color. White brings out the brightness in a place. Even if there's a little bit of darkness, it makes everything just looks great. So that is what I love most about my kitchen. And it's also easy to maintain cleanliness when you have bright colors, that is of more so white colors. So you can see there my kitchen, the whole house actually. I always love to clean my house, and with the kitchen you can see it's sparkling clean. You can even see yourself from your images from the tiles there because they are sparkling clean. So that is what I love about myself. I always prefer to make sure that everything inside my house looks clean and elegant. So there we have, you can see a wood there. It's a display there, and it helps me to keep my sugar and the salt and the scissors too, the ones that I use to cut the bags. Anytime I have shopping, I use my scissors to cut the bags. And you can see that the tiles, the wall tiles in the kitchen too, they are all sparkling clean. So quickly let me show you the top of the cabinet. That is at the top. I have the this on this side. I prefer to store the baking products and my normal what do I call them, my salad dressings. That is where I prefer to put them on one side, so that anytime I want to make something, if I want to bake, I will know where exactly to get them. And on this side I have all my spices. On the front side, that is my tea spices, and on the back that is the food spices. And on top of it I have my glasses, my wine glasses, and they are the coffee glass that is used to sieve my coffee. And then we have the tequila glasses, the water glasses, and everything. So on this side I prefer to first put the tea spices in the front, because normally early in the morning, this is what I wake up to. I have to take tea, so that's why I had to put all that I use to make my tea on the front. Then on the back there you can see the paprika, pilau masala, oregano, garam masala, and there let me quickly show you. You can see from deep inside there is white pepper, cucumber, the famous Reiko cubes from Kenya, and my tea there, and all other stuffs. I prefer to put them all at one cabinet. Then on this side you can see my maize flour, the rice. I haven't really done shopping because I'm waiting for all of that to finish. I realized that I normally stock up a lot of things and I end up just taking them away without using them. So for this time I had to keep it real with myself, because I don't want to waste a lot of money to keep on buying things that I normally don't use them. So back down from the top of the cabinet to the down cabinet, I haven't really done a lot, because you can see that bucket has a lot of utensils inside, because I haven't really found a place to keep all of them. So that's why you can see deep down there I haven't done a lot, because I still have to buy shelves for me to be able to arrange a lot of things that you see there. And on this side too, from the haven't arranged that part. And here you can see I have my little bit of snacks there, my spaghetti, my maize flour again, my all-purpose flour there for making chapati. And down there I also have a snack space where I normally keep my snacks and other things that I don't really plan to use at the moment. So that is the view of my kitchen, as you can see. And then my kitchen is together with my wardrobe. So you can see from the kitchen, you go straight to the wardrobe. That is where I normally keep my bed sheets, my towels, my lassos, my wraparounds. For those who know, you really know that I love lassos and wraparounds. So mostly when I'm at home, you will just find me with a lasso because I prefer to use a lasso more than any other thing when I'm indoors. So down there you can see my jeans. I think I've already shown you this in my other videos. If you haven't checked my other videos, please go check, like, comment, and comment on just something that you would love to know about me. There are my shoes. I haven't really used my shoes because I don't really get to go out a lot, so that's why I don't really use a lot of things. Even my clothes, some of them, they are worn out, and they are just always in the wardrobe. I don't really go out, so that is why I find it so hard to use all these things. And that is why I also stopped to buy a lot of things, because I don't really get to use them. So that is a clear view of my kitchen. That is if you're standing from the front door, from the balcony, you can easily get access to my kitchen and wardrobe. There's a clear view because of the color and because of the wide open window. It is so good, right? Like, this place has the whole view. You can easily get access to anything all times, and I love how they made the windows wide. It is so good for the light. You don't even need to light up the electricity during the night hours, which is so good. So you can see there, the color complements everything in my house, and that is why I love this house so much. So that's it, guys. That is my kitchen view there. So slowly you can take a view of everything about the kitchen cabinets in my house. Yeah, look at just how easily everything can be accessed once you know how to arrange your things. I can easily tell you this and this is somewhere else, and this is somewhere else. Like, it's good to arrange things in a good way so that it's easy for you to just not waste time when you want to do something. And you can see there, that is my kitchen. I love cleanliness. That is my number one priority, not just in my house, but anywhere I go, I make sure that everything looks sparkling clean. It's just in me. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comment. So let me know, what do you prefer? How do you prefer your house to look like? This is how my house looks like, though I haven't done a lot of things because I feel like I'm not saying I will be moving soon, but I really don't plan to do a lot of things on this house because this is not where I want to stay. I'm just staying here because I have to at the moment, but when time comes, I will have to move to a way different place where I'll be staying. So at the moment, this is where I have to be. So that is why I'm not doing a lot of things. So on this one, I had to quickly show you because I didn't want to put this video in the front because I'm still new on YouTube, and I felt like showing people my one-to-one cleaning process and everything before showing them how everything looks like in the end. It will make subscribers and the newcomers that are coming to view my videos run away. So I prefer, I don't know about you, let me know down on the comment section. I prefer to just be showing you everything straight from the start. I just want to not to waste your time, because you've really taken your time to come and view this video from the thumbnail that you see. So I prefer not to waste your time, but to quickly show you what you really needed to see. And if you would love to extend, because I believe after seeing the first part of the video, I surely know that you will still give me time and a chance. You will even subscribe, because you've already seen that I'm working so hard to make you get entertained. So that is why I prefer to put the cleaning process in the end, if it's something that doesn't have to do with the cleaning, because with this one it was a video about how I arrange my kitchen cabinet and my wardrobe. So and I wanted to fix this here because I didn't want to do a different video. I just wanted everything to be fixed on this video. So that's why I had to give a chance for my subscribers to just watch everything first. Then with the cleaning process, I had to put it in the end. So that's why you can see this video in the end. It's all about the cleaning process and how I was able to decorate everything to be the way it was. So that's it. That's how I do my cleaning. And for those who haven't subscribed and you've reached this far, please just do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share with your friends. You can also just support me by subscribing. You're already supporting me, and thank you so much. Thank you so much. And for my forever subscribers, I just can't, I don't even know what to do for you, but soon I'll do something for you guys. So thank you so much for watching me. And from here, I think I'll just have to say goodbye and enjoy watching until the end. Goodbye.